So I'm doing a wig review of Vella lace front wig Diva. I'm experimenting. If I don't like it, I am surely going to sell it. But let's see how this comes out. So unboxing, taking out the package for the very first time. It's attached. Here it is with the net on it, and it's all its packaging. I'll take it off. This thing is stuck to my hand. Likes me. I think it likes me. Okay. So here's the wig. It's a little bob kind of wig. I don't know. I'm feeling this pink thing right now. So let's take her out her packaging. This is what it looks like in the inside. So it's not really a lace front. Fully, it has a part, but well, it has a little bit of lace here. So let's see how she looks. Let me take the tag off. I guess I should have cut it, but I did not, alas, I did not. Okay, so let's see how she looks. Oh Lord, I'm about to put on a wig on top of a wig. A little tight. I have a big head though, and some hair in the hair that's not really properly placed. So let's see how she looks. Oh no. Here she is from the side. She is from the side. I don't know if I look silly, but pink is my favorite color. And I've worn pink here once or twice outside, maybe 3 times the most. I already own some pink wigs, but I wanted a pink bulb. But I don't know if this little bend here needs to be flat ironed out or if it's proper. Ooh, I'm cool. Okay. This is it from the back, and maybe a little back bulky because my hair is not properly down. But here we are with Diva lace front Vella. What do you think? Is it me? Oh, let me pause it and go and cut the lace off. Now here she is with the lace cut off. Oh no, let me pull it down a little bit. It's cute, but I don't know if I want to keep it. I may sell her through this well, through my page or through eBay, the way I used to sell wigs a couple of years ago. So, like, comment, let me know what you think, if it fits me or if I'm playing myself.